Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to make your Telegram channel request to join. That'll be a version for 2025. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do right now is make sure your device is up to date. And by the way guys, even though I'm using an iPhone right here, if you have an Android device or a Samsung device, it's perfectly the same. So go to your general settings and check up your software update. Make sure there is no pending update available on your end. Once that's done, go to your Telegram application, like so. Let me just go back on the landing page. In here, I'm just going to select a group. I'm going to use this one. Now, once you're in here, you need to select on the edit settings, like so. And in here, you're going to have two options to change. First is make sure your group type is public. Once you're done with that one, go back there and click on invite links. In here, you need to create a new link right there. And there's now an option to request admin approval. So every time they click on your link, they will have to have that request to join approval approvers by an admin or you. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.